I was out late last night. I got myself into a bar fight. They kicked me out to say that I was drunk. But really, they don't know anything. I wasn't drunk on alcohol. I had been drunk on the love juice, blood. Cause I'm a vampire. I'm coming after you, and I'm gonna make you a prisoner. Prisoner of my love. And you too will find yourself thrown out of many bars. Cause I'm gonna make you a prisoner of Dracular'S love. Lovey, lovey, dovey, little turtle dove sitting in the tree. Come on down to me, I will make you a prisoner. Don't you know?